Indicator Media presents Classic Car Update, your daily collector car newscast for Wednesday, April 30th, 2025. Hello, I'm Chad Allen Tyson. We begin with auction news. A few interesting bring and trailer sales from yesterday include an 1888 Silsby steam fire engine, which sold for $290,000. A 32,000-mile 2003 Toyota Tacoma SR5 Extra Cab TRD 4x4 V6 5-speed sold for $29,250. Original MSRP on that model started at $24,085. Along similar age-related lines, a 2005 Ford Excursion Eddie Bauer edition with the 6-liter Power Stroke and 51,000 miles sold for $49,000. On carsandbids.com, some sales closed yesterday that caught my eye. A 1999 Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution 4 GSR sold at $23,750. A 2004 Dodge Viper SRT10 convertible went for $42,250. And a 1997 Lexus LS400 Coach Edition sold for $11,350 after 27 bids. Sotheby's Motorsport also closed their online auction yesterday for 2019 Aston Martin DB11 V8 Volante. The winning bidder paid $103,425 for that. For racing news, the NORA Mexican 1000 Rally continues. It kicked off on April 24th and will continue on the Baja Peninsula through May 2nd. And that's the news for today. Subscribe today to Classic Car Update. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this with whomever might appreciate it. Visit our website at classiccarupdate.com. Classic Car Update is a product of Indicator Media and is made in association with the Autoshift.